Hi, my name's Jeff Birch. I'm a Director of Product Management for AMX here at Integrate, showing our new MUSE control system. These have been out about a year. It really is the next generation of control. It's a complete rethink of how you program automation and AV control systems. We let you code the way you want to code. You can use JavaScript, Java, or Python. You can even use low-code, no-code solution over here in Automator, a completely flow-based solution. All of these scripts can be combined. You can use them all simultaneously. They can all load onto the MUSE controllers. There's 4 flavors of MUSE controller. There's a small one that's just all PoE, and then we have various sizes that include additional I/O ports. So allows you to program in the language you want to code in and in the environment that you want to code in. So VS Code, Automator, which is Node-RED, it's all up to you.